Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Product Review. If you ever wanted to learn the mouth organ or harmonica but didn't know which one to buy, today's video might help you. Today we are reviewing the Joris JRZ10HMSSS Die Blues Harmonica in the key of C. This harmonica is designed for beginners, students, hobbyists, and even experienced musicians who want an affordable and portable instrument. We will take a close look at the design, its build quality, features, what's included in the box, who it is best suited for, and whether it is worth buying in this year 2026. So let's get started. Now I am opening this and I'll show you. The first thing you will notice that is the clean silver finish with active orange essence. It has a professional looking appearance despite being an entry level harmonica. The compact size means that you can easily carry it in your pocket, in your backpack, or even in your music bag. The body feels lightweight, making it comfortable to hold during practice session. Its smooth edges also make it comfortable around the lips while playing. Overall, the design is very simple, modern, and beginner friendly. This harmonica, which is come with the key of C, which is the most recommended key for the beginners. Why? Because most online harmonica lessons, YouTube tutorial, book, and music classes teach using a C harmonica. This means you'll find it much easier to follow along while learning. Whether you're interested in blues, folk music, country song, devotional tunes, or simple melodies, the key of C is an excellent place to start. Even many experienced players keep a C harmonica in their collection because it is so versatile. This harmonica features 10 holes and it has 20 tones. This allows you to play both blow notes and draw notes, giving you a wider range of musical possibilities. As your skill improves, you will be able to play simple melodies, chords, blue riffs, folk song, country music, pop tunes. Although beginners may only use a few notes initially, the instrument offers plenty of room of improvement as your playing develops. Now let's talk about its build quality and stainless steel reed. One of the highlights of is stainless steel reed construction. The reeds are responsible for producing the sound when you blow or draw air through the harmonica. Stainless steel is known for good durability and stable performance. The manufacturer also states that harmonica is designed to deliver clear sound projection and consistent response. With proper care and regular cleaning, it should provide reliable performance for everyday practice. The overall construction appears solid for its price category. Let's talk about the beginner-friendly features. If you are completely new to harmonica, this model aims to make learning easier. According to the product information, it offers smooth airflow and easy playability. This can help beginners to practice, first of all, the proper breathing. Secondly, the single note playing. Thirdly, basic chords. Fourthly, the simple songs. And fifth, that is the rhythm exercises. Since learning harmonica takes time, having an instrument that easy to handle can make the learning process more enjoyable too. Inside the package, you receive the Joris JRZ harmonica, a protective storage case. The protective case is useful addition because it keeps the harmonica safe from the dust and scratches when you are not using it. It also makes carrying the instrument much easier. Who should buy this? This harmonica is useful for complete beginners, school students, music learners, hobby musicians, for travel musician, anyone looking for an affordable mouth organ. If you are just starting your musical journey, this could be a practical first harmonica. If you are already an experienced player looking for a budget-friendly backup instrument, this may be a worth considering. One of the biggest highlights is the stainless steel reed construction. The reeds are responsible for producing the sound when you blow or draw air through the harmonica. Stainless steel is known for good durability and stable performances. The manufacturer also states that harmonica is designed to deliver sound projection and consistent response. With proper care and regular cleaning, it should provide reliable performance for everyday practice. The overall construction appears solid for its price category. Now let's talk about the bigger friendly feature. If you are completely new to harmonica, this model aims to making the learning very easier. According to the product information, it provides smooth airflow and easy playability. This helps the beginner practice It helps in proper breathing, single note playing, basic chords, simple songs, and rhythm exercises. Since playing and learning harmonica takes time, having an instrument that easy to handle can make the learning process more enjoyable. You receive a Joris JRZ10HMS harmonica, a protective storage case. The protective case is a useful addition because it keeps the harmonica safe from dust and scratches when not in use. It also makes carrying the instrument much easier. Who should buy this harmonica suitable for complete beginners? School student, the music learners, hobby musician, travel musician, anyone looking for an affordable mouth organ. If you are just about to start your musical journey, this could be a practical first harmonica for you. If you're already an experienced player and looking for a budget friendly backup instrument, this may also be worth considering. Overall, the Joris Diatonic Blues harmonica offers a nice combination of beginner-friendly features. You get key of C tuning. It has 10 holes and you'll get 20 tones. It is made of stainless steel reeds. It is lightweight and portable design. It has a protective carrying case, suitable for beginners and experienced players alike. If you are looking for an affordable harmonica to begin learning blues, folk, country, or pop music, this model is certainly worth considering. I hope you find this review helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more product review and musical instrument review. Bye friends, see you in the next video.